In this video, we are dealing with empirical formula. We want to calculate the empirical formula of a compound consisting of 9,2 grams of sodium, 12,8 grams of sulfur, and 9,6 grams of oxygen. Okay, so what is an empirical formula? Just a formula which shows the simplest whole number ratio of atoms present in a compound. Okay, and also the other thing, the word empirical simply means from experiment. So let us proceed. First of all, we write the symbols of our elements present in this equation. So that sodium uses Na, that's the symbol of sodium. Sulfur is S. Oxygen is O. Okay. The next thing is to write the masses which you are given in the question. So say mass. The mass of sodium is 9,2 grams. The mass of sulfur, 12,8 grams. The mass of oxygen, 9,6 grams. Okay, and the next step is now to find the number of moles present in each element. So for us to get the number of moles of sodium, we say that given mass 9,2 over the AR, or relative atomic mass of sodium, which is 23. For sulfur, the number of moles, say the given mass 12,8 over the AR of sulfur, that's 32. So these values are obtained from the periodic table, which I'm writing here, the AR values. And oxygen is 9,6 over 16. And here we get our moles as 0,4 moles. Here again 0,4. Here we get 0,6 as the number of moles. Okay. Now we want to find the simplest ratio. Okay. So for us to find the simplest ratio, we look for the smallest value among these. So here for 0,4, 0,4, 0,6. So the lowest value is 0,4. So the simplest ratio here for sodium is 0,4 over 0,4. Here again 0,4 over 0,4, and the simplest ratio for oxygen 0,6 over 0,4. Okay, so finally we know that 0,4 into 0,4 we get 1. Here again we get 1. Here we get 1,5. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, our simplest ratios here we've got 1, 1, and 1,5. But according to our definition, an empirical formula is the simplest whole number ratio. Okay, so we have to remove fractions or decimals. So for us to remove this 1,5, to change this into a whole number, we multiply throughout by 2. So here, multiply by 2. Here, multiply by 2. Here again, multiply by 2. And then we get here 2, 2, and then 3. So our empirical formula becomes Na, and then we write this 2 below here, and S, take this 2 again below here, and then O, we write this 3 below here. So that's our empirical formula, Na2S2O3. So this compound is called sodium thiosulfate. Okay, so consequently, the empirical formula also is the actual or molecular formula. So sodium thiosulfate has the same formula both for empirical formula and also molecular formula, which is the actual formula. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next videos.